Here we have a Nissan Rogue. Not the easiest car in the world to do. A lot of handwork, machine work. Not an easy car to do. A lot of hand. But sometimes they come easy, sometimes they don't. But we fix this guy right up. A lot of contours in this light. How you like that? Look at the tops. Pretty good, huh? Yep. Now to the other side. There you go. Crystal clear. If you're in South Florida, give us a call, 754-302-0769. We come to your home, your office, your work. Just give us a call, text us your pictures, and we'll get back to you. Thank you.